Hey guys, Chef Shane here. Thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to walk you through how to make flour tortillas, super buttery, super delicious. One of my favorite things to eat, using 5 ingredients. There's no reason why you should be going to the store to buy these ever again when you can do them at home yourself. You're probably asking yourself, why is this gringo showing me how to make flour tortillas? What does he know? The answer is, I don't know, but I know they're delicious. I know you're going to love them. I know your family's going to love them. So just make them, drop in the comments if you do. Let me know how they turned out and how delicious they work. I guarantee you will never buy tortillas again at the store when you make these. Once you know, and you can't go back. Let's go. First things first, we'll take 2.5 cups of flour, or 346 grams. Take 6 grams or 1 teaspoon of salt, 6 grams or 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and then 40 grams of softened butter. You can also use lard, you can use bacon fat, you can use shortening. I just happen to have butter here, so I'm gonna use that. Then what we wanna do is just go ahead and work in that flour. You wanna make sure that it's soft. If it's cold, it's gonna be harder to massage in. We're not doing a pie crust here. We don't need the butter to be cold. Then next we wanna add 189 milliliters of warm water, not hot, warm, and just slowly incorporate that. That's also about 3/4 of a cup. You want to really feel the dough. Start kneading it in, slowly incorporate it. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and just start mixing our dough around. It's gonna feel a little sticky on you. That's fine. Once you continue to work it and knead it for about, I'd say 5 to 10 minutes, till it's nice and smooth. Once the gluten starts to develop, it'll start to smooth out on you. So don't be worried if it's sticky at first. All right guys, so we kneaded this for about 8 minutes. You're gonna know your dough's ready when you poke it in like that and it has some resistance. It pokes right back out. That means the gluten's starting to develop. Put it back in our bowl, and then just so it doesn't dry out, we'll just cover it with a little bit of plastic wrap, or you can use a damp kitchen towel. We'll let this rest for about 20 minutes. Hey guys, so we have our beautiful dough here. Actually let it rest for about 30 minutes. 20 to 30 minutes should be fine. Now we're gonna roll these out. I'm gonna show you how to do that. We're gonna roll about golf-sized pieces, about 35 grams per tortilla. If you wanna do bigger tortillas, I would say maybe about 70 grams should be kind of where you wanna go. Next up, like I said, we wanna roll these out to about 35 gram dough balls. So that's perfect. We just wanna roll them in little balls. All right guys, we have our dough balls. Go ahead and make sure you cover your balls while we work with them. Make sure you have just a little bit of flour on the side. Just put a little bit down. Go ahead and flour your rolling pin. And then what we want to do is just roll out. Kind of do like quarter turns as you're rolling them. You want to roll them out to about 1/8 of an inch thick. Go ahead and cook off our tortillas. Make sure you have a nice hot pan or comer. You want to make sure that it's nice and hot, probably about 500 degrees if you have an infrared thermometer. Then we'll take our tortilla in the pan just like that. And it starts to bubble up like that. That's what you want to see right there. Then we'll go ahead and just flip these over. One thing we want to do is just keep these wrapped under a kitchen towel. Just keep them nice and warm till you're ready to use. My beautiful molcajete salsa, chipotle crema, cotija, and a nice sprig of cilantro just to top it off. Beautiful taco with our homemade tortilla. Feel free to use them however you want. Just happen to have some steak tonight. Please enjoy. Thank you for joining me. A very simple video today. I hope you learned something on how to make these delicious flour tortillas. I just went ahead and made some nice steak tacos tonight for dinner. Feel free to Stuff these babies with whatever you like. I'm gonna do a video in the future on how to do my homemade cured bacon. You could turn these into breakfast tacos, little eggs in there, some of my homemade bacon. Join me every week where I drop at least 1 to 2 videos. Oh, almost forgot to taste it. That is a delicious taco. All right, guys, don't forget to join me next week. Have a blessed day. I really appreciate you joining me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Drop me a comment if you made these tortillas, how they turned out on you, how much you love them, how much your family loved them. I'd really love to know. And until then, I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Get out there and make some food, make some delicious tortillas, and I look forward to seeing you again.